Hold me through this storm. Hold me through. I'm standing in the rain, knees on the ground. The wind is loud, but you're the only sound. My tears fall fast, but you don't walk away. You stay beside me even when I stray.
I've doubted, I've run, I've broken your heart, but still you meet me in the dark.
Hold me through this storm, don't let me go. Be the peace inside my chaos, the shelter for my soul when I'm too weak to stand. Be the strength in my bones. Lord, I need you more than ever. Hold me and don't let go. Oh, oh.
The night is long, but I see your flame. A whisper says, child, I know your pain.
You carry my burden, you don't keep score.
Each time I fall, you love me more.
Even when I'm lost in fear, I feel your hand, I know you're near. I'll trust your voice above the storm. You've always led me safely home. Hold me through this storm, don't let me fade. You're the anchor in my struggle, the light that never breaks when the thunder rolls. Be the calm I crave. Lord, I'm yours forever. Hold me through the rain. You never left, not once. Hold me through the storm.